Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Trade Empire. Today in this video, I will explain about a very effective trading strategy, which may help you to achieve your target with high accuracy. In this strategy, we will use the combination of RSI, MACD, and EMA. But before going ahead in the video, if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so that you can keep getting these types of informative videos also in future. MACD is one of the best indicators, it makes our trade more effective. But we cannot trade only on the basis of the MACD. To create more accuracy during the trade, we have to use other indicators also. So, here we will add two more indicators, and those are EMA and RSI. Now first we understand about RSI in shortly. RSI is a price momentum indicator. It can show the momentum of the stock price. RSI oscillates between the 0 and 100 value. Generally, when the RSI goes below the 30 level, it is said that the stock is oversold, and now the reversal may occur, so the price of the stock may go into the upward direction. Similarly, when the RSI goes above the 70 level, it is said that the stock is overbought, and now the reversal may occur, so the price of the stock may go into the downward direction. But in our strategy, we will change the setting of these oversold and overbought levels. Instead of these 30 and 70 levels, we will take only 50 level. Thus, when the RSI goes above the 50 level, we will look for our buy setup, and when the RSI goes below the 50 level, we will look for our sell setup. Now we understand about the MACD. It is very famous indicator among the traders. As you can see in the chart, there are two lines in the MACD. First is MACD line and second is signal line. In our strategy, we do not require the histogram, so we will remove it from the setting. MACD line and signal line perform a great role to generate the buy and sell signals. Let me explain in short. When this MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, it will make bullish crossover, and during this bullish crossover, we can get the buy signals. Similarly, when MACD line crossover the signal line from upside to downside, it will make bearish crossover, and during this bearish crossover, we can get the sell signals. Thus, according to these crossovers, we will make our buy and sell decisions. Now we get the explanation of EMA. Moving average is the average of the closing price of the candles for specified time of period. It is one of the best indicators to identify the trend of the stock. Exponential moving average uses the latest data, so here we will use exponential moving average, and its short form is EMA. When the price is above the EMA line, then it will be called that the price is in the uptrend. Similarly, when the price is below the EMA line, then it will be called that the stock is in the downtrend. In our strategy, we will take 150 EMA to identify the trend. Till here, you understood about the indicators and their tasks. Now let us understand the conditions for the buy and sell setup. First, we understand the conditions for the buy setup. Condition number 1. We will buy during the uptrend, thus we will look for the buying when the price is above the 150 EMA line. Condition number 2. We will make the buy setup when the RSI is above the 50 level. Condition number 3. We will make our buy entry when the bullish crossover happens. Let us understand with an example. Here we have the chart of a stock. As you can see here, the price is above the 150 EMA line, so the stock is in the uptrend. Now find the position of the RSI. Here the RSI is above the 50 level. Now just wait for the bullish crossover. Here MACD line crossover, the signal line from downside to upside, so this is our bullish crossover. Thus, all the conditions are satisfied here, so we will buy at the high of this candle, our stop loss should be below the low of this candle, and our target should follow our 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see, after our entry, the price made a good up move. Now we understand the conditions for the sell setup. Condition number 1. We will sell during the downtrend, thus we will look for the selling when the price is below the 150 EMA line. Condition number 2. We will make our sell setup when the RSI is below the 50 level. Condition number 3. We will make our sell entry when the bearish crossover happens. Let us understand with an example. Here we have the chart of a stock. As you can see here, the price is below the 150 EMA line, so the stock is in the downtrend. Now find the position of the RSI. Here the RSI is below the 50 level. Now just wait for the bearish crossover. Here the MACD line crossover, the signal line from upside to downside, so this is our bearish crossover. Thus, all the conditions are satisfied here. So, we will sell at the low of this candle, our stop loss should be above the high of this candle, and our target should follow our 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see, after our sell entry, the price made a good down move. That was all. My dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, then give like to our video, and I know the real smart people will definitely subscribe our channel. Take care of yourself.